The Lexus UX300E and RZ450E are powered exclusively by a battery pack. And we make driving and charging your brand new Lexus Battery Electric Vehicle simpler than ever. We provide everything you need to get started, including a complimentary wall charger expertly installed in your home garage as part of your Encore Platinum membership, as well as an additional charging cable suitable for standard power sockets for top-ups away from home. Most of the time, charging will happen when your day is over. And your new wall charger is the quickest, most cost-effective method to charge at home. With a full charge in approximately 9.5 hours for the UX300E and 6.5 hours for the RZ450E, recharging your vehicle while you recharge at home will quickly become second nature. Experience amazing with Lexus all-electric vehicles. Welcome to Lexus Electrified.